Good afternoon to everyone who watches this video. In today's review we will look at the bagging station for soft containers big bag with lower weighing of the DFSM series produced by the weighing equipment plant. Of course, today soft big bag containers are the best solution for transporting bulk cargo. This is due to ease of use, convenience at their low cost. In turn, for manufacturers there is a problem of packing for this type of containers, and in this regard, the weighing equipment plant offers a solution this task by means of a bagging station for soft containers of the big bag type with lower weighing. In the previous review, we considered the station of the DFSM series with top weighing. Now let's talk about the characteristic differences between these stations. The DFSM station with bottom weighing is a prefabricated welded metal structure consisting of a base frame which have the ability to mount the drive, as well as a telescopic frame for adjusting the height of the MKR in the middle telescopic frame. A loading pipe is fixed in the upper part of which a sector shutter is installed, as in case different types of dispensing organs can be chosen instead of a sector shutter, based on the physical and mechanical properties of the dosed materials. On the left side of the loading pipe there is a system for inflating the MKR liner, which consists of a supply air motor damper DU200 of the flexible hose and speed controller. An aspiration system is mounted on the left side of the branch pipe. One of the characteristic differences of the DFSM station with bottom weighing is the self-weighing device, which, as in this case, is made in the form of a belt conveyor on strain gauges. It can also be performed as a roll gang. Additionally, this station can be equipped with outfeed conveyors or roll gangs of any length. As well as cargo traverses of 3 or more containers for transporting full big bags to the place of storage or loading. The control of this station is carried out using a weighing controller dosing VKD001 manufactured by a weighing equipment plant, and it is worth noting that this station has all the necessary certificates and is included in the State Register of Measuring Instruments. Thank you for your attention. The link to the site will be in the description under this video.